We're live? We're slated? Okay, so what we have to talk about now is number 27. It has to pass through the point 5, negative 4, parallel to, not double L, that means parallel, to 5x minus 2y equals negative 6. What's the only thing I need from the old line? Slope. I want to say. Okay, you can still say it's the slope. So let me ask this. Do I know the slope? No. Some of you may look at this and think, isn't it next to x? Not yet. This is, what form is this? Standard form. I need to get it into what form? Point slope or slope intercept? What do you think? Slope intercept. So let's do that first. And I'm not going to say names. I'm going to point. U. How do I get the y alone?
Subtract 5x first.
I would love to. Giving us the negative 2y equals negative 5x minus 6. And U. Continue. Well, we're trying to get the y alone.
Oh, I'll divide everything by 2. Negative 2.
Divide by a negative 2. So when I divide everything by negative 2, what do we come up with? U.
Me?
Yes.
Okay, so y equals negative 5 over 2x, right?
Well, if they're both negative, it becomes?
5. And then 3. Plus 3.
So why did I do this? What did I need?
So you can get a slope.
Slope. Okay, so everybody's good with our slope. We're half done. Okay? Now I need to have a line parallel to this. Parallel. Parallel.
That mirrors.
Is everybody with me here? So they never intersect, which means they have the same slope. So I know this sounds really, really ridiculous, but U. If this line had a slope of 5 over 2, my new line, what's its slope going to be? Keep in mind, Allegra she just told us it has a slope of 5 over 2, and she said parallel lines have the same slope.
My parents signed a waiver.
Okay, good. So if it's the same, what is it?
Negative 5 over 2.
Same?
Over 5 over 2.
Cool, yes. Is everybody with us there? Don't overcomplicate it. Same means the exact same. Nailed it. Here we go. Everybody good? We're having a great one. So now I have a point and a slope. What form?
Point slope.
Point slope.
It's logical. It's logical. Point slope. So, U. How would I put it into point slope?
Y plus 4
Ooh, yes.
equals 5 over 2, parentheses, x minus 5.
Notice you did a great job of seeing the double negative. U, what did the directions ask for? Do they want point slope?
Which one?
27.
No.
What do they want? In any form, or does it specify? Just as an equation?
Yeah.
Again, all I want us to understand is, can we stop? Yeah. Don't do more than you have to. If it just says an equation, you pick. But keep in mind, what if you get to the actual final, and you get to this, and this is your answer, and you look, and every single answer on the test says y equals.
Then you're not done.
Then you're not done. Then you need to get it into a form that you can recognize as an answer. But for right now, if it just says an equation, you can stop there. But for funsies, we're going to get it into slope-intercept form. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, so if I want to get it into slope-intercept form, U, what do I have to do first? I would love to do that. Thank you for that suggestion. Will you do it for me?
Would you get 5x over 2
Loving it.
minus 25 over 2?
Simple fraction multiplication. Tops, bottoms. Killed it. Am I done? No, because y is not alone yet. So, pick your head up. You, haha, I saw you avoiding eye contact. What would I do? I would love to do that. I subtract 4. I subtract 4, ruh-roh. I can't do that right now. What has to happen there?
Put it over 2.
Okay, so this needs to become over 2, which means the top would become?
8.
Nailed it. Everybody doing well? Everybody doing okay? So, now my y is all alone. Leaving me with u. What would I be left with in the front?
5 over 2x minus 17 over 2.
Now, if they're both negative, debt with debt is mo debt.
33 over 2.
Yes. Now, that's acceptable. That's acceptable. However, my thing is, if I have to graph this, I have no idea where 33 over 2 is. Don't judge. Okay, I just don't know where that is. What's going to be a nicer way to see that?
Mixed number.
Mixed number. So you, can you help me put this into a mixed number? I'll do the hard part. Y equals 5 over 2x. You're welcome. So what about that last part?
Be 16.
Say again. 16 and?
1 over 2.
There it is. 4.5. Your preference. And that is how you would go from a desired point parallel to an original equation. We found the original slope. It was the exact same. We used that point with the slope to get it into point slope. Might be done there, but be able to get it into slope-intercept form, which all our strategy there was isolate the y. And seen.